Hey guys, it's me, your girl Kwesi, and I'm back again, back to back, and I'm back again. Yeah. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the Pilolo dance. That's right. It's a Ghanaian type of dance. It's a Ghanaian dance. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'm gonna see you when the video starts. So let me show you guys how the Pilolo dance looks like. Pilolo, Pilolo, eh? The Pilolo, Pilolo, eh? Pilolo, Pilolo, eh? Yeah. So what you want to do first of all is, like you decide on the place you want to turn to, and then you know how your leg is like straight right now. So if you want to go to the left side, you will first bring this leg up. So you bring this leg up, and when you turn, this leg faces that way. So when your hand too is going to help you direct your body. So if you're going to the left, take your hand to the left, raise this one up, this one will be straight. When you turn, this one turns to the side. So it's like hand to the side, up, and you bring your, you see, this exercise? Yeah, this exercise. So when your hand is like this, when you are bringing it up, your hand drops down and your leg turns to the side. You're not stable, so you have to balance this leg and turn it like this. So it's going to be like this. Boom! You see now that this leg faces this side, because I cannot be like this. I'm not stable. I'm going to fall off. So you want to make sure when you bring this leg here,
this leg here, you will turn.
You make sure this leg does that. So your hand should help you when you do boom. So your hand is here, boom. So when your hand comes here, your leg goes the opposite direction. They go opposite ways. That way your body will automatically do this. So just practice this this workout stuff. Boom, 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 boom. So anytime you're raising up your leg, your hand goes the opposite direction. So boom is here right now. Boom. Yeah.
Let's get ready to turn.
So you have to use force. Well, yeah, you have to use energy to turn. So you see the way my leg is like this, and then when I turn, it's going to face this side. So boom. Notice how my whole body is facing this way now. So just make sure you practice this. Boom, 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 boom. So now that you've gotten this movement stuff, add them together and turn with it. See the way my leg turns automatically when I do that. So check it out. Boom. It's kind of hard to do because you're putting weight on this one to turn. So it's like this. It's not really that hard. You just need to turn. Make sure this leg that is straight faces this way. This one will already turn by itself when you do this. You do Pilolo. People do like different styles when they get this Pilolo stuff. So when they get this Pilolo style, they can either do this. You can do anything you want basically, but let me show you like what you can do when you do the Pilolo. So you can do Pilolo. People do like, I don't know how to explain that one, but you just like basically do some walk, some type of walk that you want to do. You can do anything you want to do basically. So I'm just going to teach you how to do the Pilolo, and then you can add your own style to it. So let me show you how to turn the other way from this way. So you're here, right? Boom, Pilolo. See, my leg is already getting ready to turn the other way. It's not really facing this way anymore. So you bring, so it's like Pilolo. See, I'm back to the front, and now it's time to take this leg to the right side. My hand is already here. When you were doing the left, your hand was here. You brought it over. Now you're going the other way, so boom. So it's just basically the same thing, but you're just going in a different way this time. So you're here. Pilolo. boom, and then you drop your leg when you turn. So your right leg too does the same thing. When it's here, make sure you turn it here so your body faces this way. Your hand like this, your leg like this. So Pilolo.
Boom, boom,
Boom, boom, boom, boom. See, my leg is kind of crossing when I drop it. So boom, drop, turn, drop, turn, drop, turn, drop, turn, drop, turn, drop. You see this one is at the back, and then you start bringing this leg kind of to the front, and then boom, that will make you turn to the other. So you're right here, you bring your leg up, you get ready to turn the other way. So here, your hand this way. Since you're going to the left, your hand this way, boom. So it's kind of like complicated, but when you keep doing it, you get it. So it's boom, drop, up, turn, down,
up, turn, down, up, turn, down.
So you can do 1, 2, 3. That is the walking parts. You can do anything you want. And then 1, 2. So yeah, you just make sure that your hand and leg go the opposite directions, and then your other leg that is not raising up turns to whatever side you're going to. That is just basically it. So it's not really that hard, just like get used to this opposite. You just have to add the turns to it. Boom, 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 boom. That is it. It's not really that complicated. For you guys it might be, but just like boom. See this? Boom. I'm here, right? Boom. This leg turns. Boom. So now let me add everything together. Pilolo, Pilolo, Pilolo. I'm just gonna play a song right now, and I'm gonna teach you guys. What? I just taught you guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna dance the Pilolo and show you guys how it looks like. Are you guys ready? Let's get it! Did you guys enjoy that? I hope you did, guys. I have come to the end, and if you don't get something, you can always go back and like watch how my leg movements are, how I'm doing my hands, and yeah, you can pause the video, get it. When you get it, play it back. Yeah, it's not that complicated. Don't let it get to your head, just do it. Just do it, baby. Okay, yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial I have for you guys. Well, yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And from me, it's to see you again. Peace and love from me to you. From me to you. Bye.